Is mom's house sitting vacant during probate? These are the 5 things you should do ASAP if your mom passed away and her Florida house is now sitting vacant during probate. Securing the property should be one of the first things the family thinks about. Probate can take months, but problems with a vacant house can happen fast. Here are 5 practical things to do right away. Number 1, secure the house. Make sure all doors, windows, sliding doors, garage doors, side gates, and back entrances are locked. And if there is any question about who may have keys, just get the locks changed. Family members, neighbors, caregivers, contractors, cleaning people. Sometimes half the neighborhood has a key and nobody knows why. Very comforting. Number 2, turn off the water main, but do not turn off the air conditioning. Turning off the water main can help reduce the risk of leaks while the house is empty. But do not turn off the electricity and keep the air conditioning running at about 74 degrees. In Florida, it can get very humid out. Florida humidity can create mold problems quickly, especially in a closed-up house without air conditioning. The house may be empty, but mold does not need an invitation. Number 3, cut the grass every 2 to 3 weeks. An overgrown lawn makes the house look vacant, and a vacant-looking house can attract vandals, code enforcement, and every raccoon with ambition. Keep the property looking maintained. Number 4, get vacant home insurance. A vacant home will need different insurance than a regular occupied home. Do not assume the existing homeowner's policy covers everything once the property is vacant. Have the family speak with the insurance agent and ask about vacant home coverage. Number 5, notify the local police. Call the local non-emergency number and let them know the house is vacant. Some departments may keep an eye out during patrols. It is not a private security team, obviously, but it is better than hoping the mailbox protects the property. The big idea is simple. If mom's house is sitting vacant during probate, do not wait until there is a leak, a break-in, a mold issue, or a code violation. Secure it early, maintain it, insure it correctly, and keep good records of what was done. My name is Russ Irizarry. I'm a Florida licensed real estate broker, former CPA, and I help families understand the real estate side of probate. If there is a probate property in your family and you're not sure what your real estate options are, I can help you understand the selling side clearly, calmly, and with no pressure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next probate video. God bless.